Muffins. Say hi to YouTube, Muffins. Say hey, YouTube. Hey, Muffety Muffs. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just cleaning the bike up real quick. Get a little shine on it with this polish right here. Spray cleaner and polish. That came in a little Harley pack that they gave me, little care pack. Got this little microfiber towel, whatever this thing called. Got to get that shine in there. See it? See a little scratch where my bike fell that time. It is what it is. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna clean it off just a little something, not too much. Got the seat off. See all that little dust in there? Dust and dirty. I'm gonna pull this seat off too. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'll pull it off and get to clean it pretty decently. Yeah, but anyway, I am going to the Harley dealership today to hook up with Jack. Jack is having a few of his customers come up there. We're gonna ride out on the CVOs today. We're gonna see what we got up here. I know we should have I know I met 3 of them. I met the guy with the poison berry, that's the purple CVO. Then I met the couple with the, they have 2 CVOs, the 24s, the black and the white one, the CVO STs. So, you know, hopefully everybody show up. He said it should be about 5 or 6. Hopefully everybody show up. That's gonna be decent. Plus me, he called me, plus the one and only, you know. But yeah, we're gonna meet up with them and probably grab a bite to eat, chop it up a little bit, you know. But so anyway, that's why I gotta have my Harley at its cleanest, you know. And you see she's dirty. I want to get in there and do them back rims, but I just don't have it in me today. I'll do the front rim and I might do the lip of that. I might do it. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna wipe it down with this cleaner polish stuff real quick. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna post this video right now. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, drop a comment as always, and stay tuned for those come back later when probably post that video either later tonight or sometime tomorrow of us riding out on the CVOs. And anyway, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell, share.